Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a homeware haul. I've recently picked up a few bits for my home and I thought I would show you everything I got, and some of the things which obviously you're gonna see have to be like put on the walls. So obviously once I've done that, I'm gonna insert clips so you can see what they really look like, if that even makes sense. So I've been to The Range, Primark and IKEA. I'm just gonna show you what I got from The Range first because it was actually only one thing, so I'm just gonna show that first. I got this 4-piece shelf kit. You basically get like two little squares, a little shelf and then a big rectangle shelf thing, and it's matte white, which my flat is basically white, grey, and my living room has like bits of dark grey and black in it. So this is going to be for my haul. Just as you walk in the door, this is going to be in my haul, and I'm going to put like plants and little ornaments and stuff on the shelves. I just thought it would be really cute, and it's a bit different rather than just a plain shelf. Like I've got a plain white shelf in my bedroom just over here, which you can't really see. I just wanted something a little bit different than a plain shelf because, well, I've already got one, haven't I? So I wanted something different basically. I think this was like $19.99, which I think is quite good. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you the bits I got from Primark. I've just got a little bag because I only got 1, 2, 3, 4 things. And this bag smells amazing because one of the things that I bought is making it smell so damn good, which I'll show you that first actually. At the home bit in Primark, the Primark that I went to, by the way, was Braehead. Yeah, these were like sitting on a shelf thing, and I went past them and I said to Ellis, who was the person I was with, I was like, oh my god, something smells amazing. And I went like backwards like to find the smell, like where it came from, and it was these. These are clean cotton, white lilac and amber scented room sachets, last up to 2 weeks. They were only £1.50. They had another scent which I absolutely loved as well, but I thought I would get the clean cotton because you can't go wrong with clean cotton, can you really? And if I liked how they worked and stuff like that, I would go back and get some more. But I'm going to open them because I'm not actually too sure what they look like. Oh, I wish I could like, you know, let you smell this too, but technology isn't that great. Oh, it's only one sachet. It's like that. It's only one sachet. Okay, I don't know where I'm going to put this. Yeah, I'm really not sure where I'm going to put this actually, but it's only one sachet. I thought because it said sachets and it was plural that there would have been more than one. But however, it still smells absolutely amazing. I just need to figure out where to put this because it's a bit random, isn't it? I suppose I could put it on my shelf. Yeah, I'm going to need to think about that, I think. But anyway, £1.50 for a sachet. It's not the prettiest looking thing, is it? So I really don't know where I'm going to put that. But yeah. Okay, so next I got 3 plants. I definitely went a bit overboard with the plants, but they were just so cute. So the first one I got was this like white rose in a glass jar kind of plant. This was £3.50. I got all my plants and stuff to put on the shelves in my flat because once I put that shelf kit up, well, say once I do it, I'm not really going to do it because I'm not really good at DIY. Someone else will be doing it. But yeah, once I put up that, and there's just other shelves in my flat. I like shelves, okay? So I'm going to put plants on them. So this is one of them. The second one is this little orchid, would you say? I just thought it was really cute, and this was £2.50. And also, none of these plants are real, obviously, because I'm really bad at keeping plants and flowers and stuff alive, really. I'm not good at it at all. I have some live, is that the right, like, word to use, cactuses in my bathroom, but they only need watered like every now and then. Like they could go ages without getting watered, so like they're the only plants I have. Other plants, I'm not trusted with them. Okay, and the last plant I got from, I'm saying plants, I've just realised those last two ones are flowers and this is really a plant. This was £2.50. I thought I was going to put this in my bathroom but I'm not too sure. I will see. But yeah, this was £2.50. £2.50, and that was the last plant. Can you hear that? I think some dogs are like having a square go. But anyway, yeah, that was the last thing that I got from Primark. Okay, so all my IKEA things I put in my little bag. I refused to buy another IKEA bag because I have so many of them. So thankfully I had a bag in my car and I used that. I did get quite a lot of stuff from IKEA actually. Well, not really, but kind of. So the first thing I'm going to show you is pretty random. It is literally just a pole. This is going to go on my wall hopefully, but basically this is just a pole and I'm going to have it on my wall in my living room because that's kind of where my makeup kind of desk beauty bit is, and I want it on the wall. And then on this pole I've got 4 of these plastic containers and they'll sit on the pole like so there'll be 4. I'm going to put my makeup brushes in the pot, so I've got 4 of these pots. I believe these were only like 50p, so I got 4 pots to put all my makeup brushes in because I've got a lot of makeup brushes, and this will go on the wall. These were 50p and I can't remember how much this pole was. It was no more than £5 for sure. I got another fake plant, and last time I was in IKEA I really wanted this, but I was just like, no, you don't need it. And because I already bought 3 plant flower things in Primark, I was like, another one's not gonna hurt, is it? So I got it. It's this hanging like fake plant. I'm sure you've seen this before. A lot of people have this. It's just like on its own like that. And then I got this muscat plant pot that actually did have a plant in it because it's a bit dirty inside, but I just got that to put it like so. And I think I'm going to put this in my haul when those shelves are up. I just think it looks really cute. I don't really know the prices from things in IKEA, but I'll try and link everything down below. Oh, random, but I got a 4-pack of face cloths, just white ones. Obviously when I'm washing my face and stuff like that, I thought I would get some more. I got 4 packs of these hangers, and how many do you get in them? 5. I think these were £3 each or something, but I got 4 packs, so that's me, oh jeez, that's me got 20 more hangers because I literally ran out. I had no more. I even had clothes that were ironed that I couldn't hang up because I didn't realise I ran out of hangers. This is what happens when you buy too many clothes. Thank God now after this video I can hang up my clothes that have just been sitting about for ages because I've had no hangers. Next, I picked up these spray bottles. I got one blue one, of course, to put in my Lenore, diluted Lenore. I just thought it looked cool because it's literally the colour of the softener. So I'm just gonna use this one instead of my little clear ones. And obviously it's bigger too. And then I got a clear one just to put Zoflora in. Not really much else I can say about them. Now, it wouldn't have been an IKEA trip without picking up some candles, would it? I got 2 of the kind of, I'm sure they're the smaller size. These are only 95p, I'm sure, and you can get bigger ones, but I thought 2 of this size would do me fine. 25 hours burning time for each, obviously. And these are the ice cream scent, which I love, so I got these to burn in my bedroom. Last but not least, I got this, I don't even know what you would call it, but I got it to put above my desk, again in my living room. I just thought it'd be really cute to put pictures of like family and friends, motivational quotes, and just little bits like that. I really liked it. I've been wondering what to put on that bit of my living room, like the bit of the wall. I didn't want to put a picture or canvas because I feel like I've got quite a lot of that already, and it wouldn't look right too. I don't know. You'll see obviously when I put this up on the wall, you'll see what it looks like. I just think it would fit really nice in that office kind of space in my living room. So yeah, I'm sure this was £12, and you get the little clips in it. I didn't think that you did, but you get the little clips inside this because I was going to order some, but I read the thing properly and it says that you get them inside this, so that's always good. Yeah, I'm really excited actually to put that up on the wall. So guys, that is everything I have picked up home wise lately. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment down below if you would like to, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.